Hi, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I'm starting my new project today. So, I decided to share my recent hair study using charcoal. Here it is, and let's start. I am starting by creating the basic outline. Honestly, it feels great to be back with this magical medium. It's been about 10 months since I last used charcoal. So I decided to nourish my skill here again. Both charcoal and graphite have their own unique impact, not just on the paper but on the viewer too. I say this because I absolutely love my previous work with charcoal. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to draw hair as individual strands right from the start. Instead, think of them as a wave traveling across the paper. You must build the form and mass of the hair first. Don't you think this is like the formula of the hair? So, write this formula on your paper, on your mind, on your whatever you have right now, and follow this every time. I hope this will help you a lot. I often see beginners creating all the hair black, but real hair, even dark hair, is dynamic. You have to think about light and shadows. They constantly interact, giving you a beautiful range of midtones that live right between those intense shadows and those crisp highlights. Yes, अगर आप कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं सो उसमें लाइट एंड शेडोज जो है इंटरेक्ट करते हैं उस ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ इंटरेक्ट करते हैं। जब किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ लाइट एंड शेडोज इंटरेक्ट करते हैं उस पर मिड टोन क्रिएट होते हैं। जब मिड टोन्स क्रिएट होते हैं उस ऑब्जेक्ट का रियल वॉल्यूम निकल करके आता है। दिस इज़ द की पॉइंट एक्चुअली टू क्रिएट एनीथिंग लाइफ लाइक। I see huge improvement when people add a wide range of tones in their drawings. The illusion of the hair volume is dependent on how you handle the lights and shadows. All those subtle shadows, even the tiniest ones, are what help give the hair that three-dimensional volume on the paper. Yes, जो सबसे ज़्यादा डार्क एरिया है वो शेडोज़ वाला एरिया है। जो सबसे ज़्यादा लाइट एरिया है जहाँ लाइट फॉल हो रही है वो सबसे ज़्यादा लाइट एरिया है। जब लाइट एंड शेडोज़ को क्रिएट करेंगे इट विल नेचुरली क्रिएट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द हेयर। With such dark material on the paper, the challenging part is bringing light back. Your eraser is the solution. Don't just see it as a cleanup tool. See it as a drawing instrument. I'm using Mono Zero eraser to carefully lift pigment. This action not just help you to create light, but also helps you to create texture. Now this is the final step, capturing the natural essence of the object. I'm creating messy hair, those tiny finishing details. To understand how critical this is, think of your favorite meal. If you were to remove all of the spices, it would be like you could not even imagine that food without these spices. We often overlook these small marks in our artwork, but they are most important. They are most important, I'm telling you, and most critical details for bringing the piece
to light.